be great. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Caleb back here with another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. About to fix this stupid area. We got a stupid area on the GMC, and we're about to fix it. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. That's what we got. Spider, they come in clutch again. Let's put these on, boys. Yep, can't have you guys seeing all that information. Man, they must make these child-proof these days. Alright, back to being professional. They sent me a box. Ooh, they sent me 2 boxes. Whoa, look at that. Dude, that's just a good meme. That is one solid meme. Let's go. Oh, another good meme. I'll clean all that garbage up later. I'm gonna get my goldfish out of the way. Goldfish, you owe me money. Okay, so really the first step to actually removing these headlights, there's 2 little pins right here where they're actually a decent size. You'll just twist these out, just like so, and just slide them right out, just like so. Now, this whole headlight unit just comes out. Yep. Most of the time it comes out. There we go. Now, we're just going to flip this over. Hopefully you guys can see this. Sorry about the lighting. It's pretty overexposed out here. These are just universal twist and pull out. They're pretty easy, pretty simple. And same thing with the bottom. Just twist it, pull it out. There we go. And now we've got the whole headlight unit out. What is a bee doing in there? Wow. Must be nice. Alright, now that we've got the main unit out, we can look down in here and see the other smaller unit. And this one's pretty easy to remove as well. You've got one screw right here, as you can see, that is holding in the left side. And we're just going to go ahead and unscrew that real quick. Alright, now that that's removed, this side will come out nicely. And over here you can see there's a little tab. And we're going to push this tab in and then push the headlight out. And the whole thing just slides out just like that. Alright, and these detach the same way, except they've got little lock tabs. So you can just push those tabs in and then just twist. Alright, so now that we got the bottom out, we're going to have to use these plugs to plug into the new lights. So we're going to go ahead and take these bulbs out. Be very careful when you're doing this, and I would recommend wearing gloves for this, just in case the glass does break. You could slice yourself, or if you're trying to protect your skin, this is really not a good idea to be touching a light bulb, but who cares? I'm an irresponsible 18-year-old, right? Now we're going to take the new unit, and you can see on the back side we've got these little plugs. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you know about these plugs. This one goes to that one, this one goes to that one, obviously. So we're going to plug these in right quick. Alright, next step, you've got this little box. Your headlights may not have this. I don't really know what this is. It's probably just a little circuit board, 2 little circuit boards to keep all the wiring in a safe place. Gonna rip this back off real easily. Just like so. Plop it on there. Alright, now that that's stuck together, we're going to take these, push them in here, twist them. Just give it a little twist. Yep. Which way does he twist? Alright, now that that is all wired together, we're just going to snap this back into place just like we had the first ones. There we go. Just give it a little tap. There we go. Make sure it's in place. Just a good meme. Alright, now for the top. You can see there's tons of wires that are actually, you actually got to wire these. And I'm not going to be going into that today. This video is just about these headlights, not about wiring. And I can promise you, unless you need to see it, you're not going to want to sit here and watch me wire a bunch of this stuff. So, we're just going to go ahead and pop these in here. Those wires connect the halos and these little 3 bulbs over here on this side. These are your blinkers. The halos are not necessary, and you do have blinkers down here. So that's not really a main concern in this video. So we're going to go ahead and plug these guys in. So obviously this side is going over here, and this side is going to just plug right in there, and you're done. It's as easy as that. Alright, just like we took the pins out of here, we're just going to go ahead and slide them down into this new hole right here. Going to shove it in here like so. Slide and lock. That does not feel right. Why so movie, my dude? same thing for this side. You just put down in here, slide until it no go no further. Come on, let's go.